Alright, hey everyone, what's going on? We're here today again with the i9s TWS clone AirPods or fake AirPods. Want to show you guys how to connect them to a iPhone XR, right? So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, let's go ahead and enable the Bluetooth settings for our iPhone XR just to have it ready as the i9s will enter into pairing mode. So we'll go ahead at Bluetooth, we'll turn that on. Okay, and of course it's going to start searching for nearby devices, but let's just leave that there for the time being. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our i9s here, which basically we want to kind of, give me a second, bring that brightness up. All right, so we want to make sure that they're both off first, and then we're going to long press the two buttons here. So we'll hold them down together until they both go blue-red blinking. So it's going to light up like this and hold it down until they enter into this state here. Okay, so you'll see that they're both flashing blue and red, then they'll sync to each other. Notice the triple blue blinking lights on two of them. You'll notice how they flash together a few times and then one side remains into a pairing state mode. Now, for the time being, you're going to see two i9s will show up on your phone. However, I will suggest not picking on, don't pick on any of them yet or press on any of them yet until it goes into just one of them, right? So as you can see, they went from 2 to 1. And then with that said and done, that means they have synced to each other and entered into pairing mode on one side only. So we'll select that once, and you'll notice that it's blinking in blue once it's connected. And then after that, that's pretty much it. You're connected, you're good to go. And just keep in mind that with the i9s, once you're connected, these guys will be constantly blinking in blue no matter what. That's just how they're designed. So there's no turning off of the lights even after they're paired. Okay, just so you know that and don't think that there's something wrong. But other than that, guys, that's how you connect them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.